Remove all parts from the package. This contains everything needed for installation. If you have your own tools, the installation experience will be much smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove nut and washer. Tighten the nuts after fitting the training wheels and fender supports and washers in order. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Turn the forks straight. Loosen the handle screws and remove the handle protection cover. Insert the handlebar into the head tube beyond the minimum safety line. Make sure the handlebar angle is correct and tighten the handle screws. Loosen the stem screws. Tighten the handlebar screws after adjusting the handlebar angle. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the fork protection bar. Unscrew the retaining washers and nuts on both sides of the front wheel. Put the front wheel in the fork. Install the retaining washers in that order. Tighten the nut to secure. Remove the mudguard retaining nuts and washers from the forks. Secure the mudguard support bar to the fork with the screws. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Confirm the markings on both pedals. L is the left pedal and R is the right pedal. Insert the foot pedal into the crank and screw it down. The right pedal is tightened clockwise and the left pedal is tightened counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Assemble the saddle and saddle tube together and tighten. Insert the saddle into the seat tube over the minimum safety line. Tighten the seat tube clamp after adjusting the saddle position. Step 6. Assemble the other accessories. Install the stem protector cover in the center of the stem. The front reflector is mounted in the center of the handlebar. Rear reflector mounted on seat stay. Remove the straps from the bottom of the basket and secure the basket to the center of the handlebars. The bell is mounted on the handlebar near the hand. Finally, install the axle protector on the axle. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.